Hello guys, welcome to Fabric by Singhania. If you're still looking for an inspo as a wedding guest or someone whose wedding is coming through, we've got the perfect set of fabrics from haldi till the wedding and the reception. So let me show you. Now the fabric that you see here has been recreated by Lavanya Tripathi and she was wearing a very beautiful Georgette sari. So here we have this very beautiful Georgette fabric that you see, it's recreated just like Lavanya Tripathi. She was wearing this very pretty Georgette sari. It's quite similar to that sari. We've got this really nice light pinkish white color, base color, and all over it you can see this floral work and birds as well. So all of this is digitally printed and it looks really gorgeous. You can pair it off with a really nice pastel color blouse and you can really recreate the entire look that was recreated by her in this fabric, and you can make a beautiful sari out of this. Here we've got this very beautiful organza fabric. It's very lightweight and it's very beautiful. You can see how translucent this is. This can be perfect to create a lightweight lehenga as well. And all over this you can see this nice applique work that has been done and white embroidery as well. This is very similar to what Kajal Agarwal was wearing as a lehenga in one of her events. We can recreate a beautiful long blouse and a lehenga set exactly like this fabric and it will look just gorgeous on you. If you want to have your own princess moment, this fabric is the perfect fabric for you. Now here the fabric that I selected is a beautiful black color raw silk fabric. It's very textured and rich. All over this you can see this amazing light gold zari work that has been done and embroidery work with light sequin work as well. This is quite similar to what Anushka Shetty was wearing in this really beautiful suit set, and along with this she had paired up this very gorgeous dupatta. Now we have something very similar to that we would like to recreate. Here we've got this really beautiful black color raw silk fabric again for you, and all over this you can see these small booties kind of zari work that has been done across the fabric. Perfect to create a dupatta and perfect to pair this off like a suit set and a dupatta. So yeah, this fabric also has been done with silver zari work and there is light sequin work also that has been done in this fabric, which would give you a really nice and grand look. Now we've got this very beautiful Banarsi fabric which is quite similar to what was recreated and worn by Samantha, and she was wearing this very beautiful long A-line kind of set which looked really gorgeous on her, and it was still elbow sleeve. It looked really perfect, and that can be recreated with these Banarsi fabrics that you see, which are in nice neutral shades. We've got a nice collection in these, one of which is this one. And all over this you can see this beautiful booties that has been done in dark blue shades. We've also got more varieties in it, which is yellow, pinks and other colors, which are just perfect to recreate that outfit that you saw. Now all over this you can also see this light gold zari weaving, which looks really gorgeous. So the whole pattern over here is quite elegant and minimal, which is perfect to create any kind of grand looks. Now the fabric that we have here is another beautiful Georgette fabric which is in a nice white shade worn by Trisha as a sari, and we can recreate that kind of outfit with these kind of fabrics. We've got a beautiful collection in these Georgette fabrics and with amazing embroidery, one of which is quite similar to what she was wearing, and that is why we picked this one. All over this you can see this beautiful embroidery work and foil work as well, which is really beautiful, and it looks really nice if you want to recreate this into any kind of outfits. Even if you want to make an anarkali or a kurti or a suit set, this kind of fabric would really make you stand out, and white is always the best color. Here I've picked this very beautiful bubblegum pink kind of tussar fabric. It's perfect, it's very textured and it's giving a very rich look, and this was something similarly worn by Nagarjuna in Bigg Boss as a kurta, and we can also recreate this perfectly. Now this fabric would be perfect to recreate any menswear kurta or womenswear kurta as well. All over this you can see this really beautiful embroidery work that has been done like motifs, and there is nice light gold silver zari work also that has been done, and very small sequin work also. So it gives a very minimal look, yet it's quite rich, and it will be perfect to create any kurtis. You can have a look at how beautiful this fabric is. So now we've picked this really beautiful and rich white color Banarsi fabric. It's beautiful, there's all over Banarsi over it, and it's meenakari work as well on this fabric, which gives it a very elegant look. Now this is also something that was closely worn by Ramcharan for an event, and here we've come with this fabric to recreate something similar to what he wore. Now you can create a beautiful long kurta with this, or even for the women you can create any kind of blouse pieces or kurti sets too. You can wear this in any kind of way, and you can customize this fabric in whatever way you want. There are so many multi ways of wearing this fabric. As you can see the gold zari work that has been done all over it. It's very beautiful and it has like a grid-like pattern which gives a really nice effect. And all over this you can also see these really small dark pink kind of booties which makes it look really pretty and beautiful. So the entire fabric is a really nice touch for an elegant and grand look, and you can create a beautiful kurta with it. Now here I've selected this beautiful Banarsi silk fabric. It's pure Banarsi silk and it's really elegant. You can look at the booty work that has been done in nice gold color. It makes it look really rich, and the color itself is in a nice mauve shade, so it gives a very rich look. Now this was worn by the actor Ram and it looked really amazing. For a casual kind of kurta, if you want to create or something that is a little more grand, this fabric will be perfect to customize into that. For menswear kurta, or if you want to create any kind of blouses and match it with some kind of sari that you want to pair, this fabric also would be perfect for that. Now the fabric that you see here is a really rich and dark black color velvet fabric. Velvet anyways is quite royal and grand, so creating any kind of outfits with this fabric will make you stand out. Now this was worn by Allu Arjun in this really beautiful sherwani kind of style, which is perfect. That was a little more minimal. This one is a little more grand that we've got presented here for you. The birds that you see here are quite similar to the ones that we saw over there, and the rest of the work that you see over it, the beautiful embroidery work, zari work, sequin work, and all of this design that you see all obviously makes you stand out and is perfect to create any kind of outfits for a grand look. So if you want to create an outfit for Sangeet reception also, this is the perfect outfit for any kind of occasion. This outfit would really make you stand out. Now here we selected another velvet fabric in a nice rich black color. This also was worn by Kirti Suresh in this very beautiful anarkali set, and it looked really gorgeous. They had a little more grand look in the neckline and it looked really pretty, and all over this you can see this beautiful gold zari work that has been done in booties and light sequin work, which makes it look really different. All of the border that you see as well is in a nice floral work. So the entire fabric is quite minimal, yet it would give you a very rich look if you want to create an anarkali. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, hit a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to follow us in more social media pages for inspo, you can follow us at Fabric by Singhania. And if you want to know more about our customizations, you can visit our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1.